What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix TradingView lagging problem. So if you're having issues with using TradingView here, generally speaking, whenever you're viewing a chart or just doing other things here, well, sometimes it may lag due to a number of reasons. So first thing first is you want to make sure that you're not or you haven't opened up any apps here or unnecessary apps. So meaning you want to make sure that TradingView is the only app that you have open. Like as you can see right now in the background, I have Reddit opened up, so you may want to close all the other apps that you're not using. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and open up TradingView here and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing you could try doing here is you want to also go to the main menu here on your phone, press and hold on TradingView and click on the eye icon. Now from here, what we need to do is we want to go and click on clear data at the bottom right, click on clear cache, and OK. Now go and click on force stop as well, click on OK, and from here on, you could go and open up TradingView and see if that helps. Now, the last thing that you could try doing here is you need to restart your phone. Now, especially if your phone has been open or is running for a number of days. Like for example, you have your phone opened continuously for 2 weeks. Well, in this case, you may need to restart your phone. Sometimes having your phone or your phone not getting rest can actually cause this problem. So in this case, restart your phone and see if that helps. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel.